Welcome to Drive Future, the channel where classic meets innovation and where history on wheels comes alive. Today, we're taking you back to one of the most iconic and luxurious vehicles ever produced by Cadillac, the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado. This car wasn't just another model. It was a revolution in American automotive design, a bold statement of style, power, and technological advancement that redefined what luxury coupes could be in the late 1960s. The 1967 Eldorado marked the beginning of a new era for Cadillac. Sleek, sophisticated, and daringly different from anything that had come before. It was the first Eldorado to feature front-wheel drive, a groundbreaking engineering move that placed Cadillac ahead of its competition and set the tone for American luxury performance cars for years to come. When you look at the 1967 Eldorado, you can't help but admire its dramatic and angular body lines. The car had a completely new design, sharp, clean, and futuristic for its time. Gone were the long tail fins of the 50s Cadillacs. Instead, this Eldorado embraced a minimalist, European-inspired look while maintaining that unmistakable American presence. The body was lower, wider, and more aggressive. The front end featured a bold, vertically stacked headlamp design hidden behind sleek covers that gave it a mysterious and elegant personality. The grille stretched wide, framed by chrome details that accentuated its commanding stance. From the side, you noticed the crisp edges, the long hood, and the perfectly proportioned roofline that flowed seamlessly into the rear deck. It was a design that symbolized motion even when standing still. Under the hood, the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado carried a powerhouse engine, a 429 cubic inch V8, delivering around 340 horsepower and 480 lb-ft of torque. This massive engine was paired with a new turbo-hydromatic 425 transmission, driving the front wheels, which was a first for Cadillac. This front-wheel drive setup provided improved traction and a smoother ride, while also allowing for a lower floor and better interior space utilization. The result was an effortless driving experience, one that felt stable, composed, and luxurious even at high speeds. Cadillac engineers didn't just want power, they wanted refined performance. The Eldorado could glide across highways with minimal road noise, its suspension absorbing bumps like a dream. It was a car built to make every journey feel like a first-class experience. Inside, the 1967 Eldorado continued to deliver unmatched luxury. The cabin was a true showcase of Cadillac craftsmanship. Plush leather seats, rich wood grain accents, and chrome details that reflected light beautifully. Every control was designed with precision and comfort in mind. The dashboard layout was driver-focused yet elegant, featuring horizontal speedometers and unique touches that made it feel futuristic for its time. The seats were wide, supportive, and power-adjustable, giving both driver and passengers an unmatched sense of comfort. Cadillac made sure every inch of the Eldorado's interior felt like a private lounge on wheels, quiet, refined, and luxurious. Even the carpeting and door panels were made from premium materials, emphasizing the brand's dedication to quality. Beyond comfort, Cadillac equipped the 1967 Eldorado with advanced technology for its era. Power steering, power brakes, automatic climate control, and electric windows came standard, making it one of the most feature-packed cars of its time. It was also one of the first American cars to focus heavily on aerodynamics and driving dynamics, giving it not just beauty but brains as well. With its long wheelbase and carefully tuned suspension, the Eldorado offered a smooth yet responsive drive. A combination of performance, style, and innovation made it stand out even among luxury rivals like Lincoln and Chrysler. The 1967 Eldorado also played a major role in shaping Cadillac's identity for decades to come. It was no longer just about traditional luxury. It was about performance, innovation, and a modern vision of American prestige. This car appealed to a younger, more dynamic audience, while still maintaining the brand's elegance. It represented a perfect balance between sophistication and power, tradition and progress. Cadillac's advertising at the time captured this perfectly, calling it a personal luxury car with the heart of a lion. That tagline summed it up. The Eldorado was elegant, but it had muscle underneath that smooth exterior. Driving the 1967 Eldorado was an experience unlike any other. The moment you pressed the accelerator, you could feel the surge of torque pushing you forward effortlessly. The steering was light but precise, the suspension firm but smooth, and the cabin remained serenely quiet, even as the engine roared to life. It wasn't just a car, it was an expression of luxury motoring at its finest. People who owned an Eldorado weren't just buying transportation. They were buying status, comfort, and the pride of owning one of the most advanced cars of its time. Today, the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado remains a timeless symbol of American automotive excellence. Collectors around the world seek it not just for its beauty, but for its historical importance. It represents a turning point when Cadillac dared to break the mold and embrace modern design and engineering. Its combination of classic craftsmanship and innovative features makes it a standout piece in any car enthusiast's collection. Whether it's the way the light catches its chrome, the low growl of that massive V8, or the sheer elegance of its design, the 1967 Eldorado continues to captivate car lovers nearly 6 decades later. As we look back, it's easy to see why the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado became an instant classic. It embodied everything that made the Cadillac name legendary: luxury, innovation, power, and presence. It wasn't just built to impress. It was built to lead. This car showed the world that American luxury could be both beautiful and bold, refined, yet fearless. It was the kind of car that turned heads everywhere it went, and even today, its design still looks strikingly modern. Thank you for watching this journey through time with Drive Future. If you enjoyed learning about the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the most iconic cars ever made, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about this classic Cadillac masterpiece? Until next time, keep driving the future and honoring the past.